Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can apply a drop shadow effect to components and shapes in the screens on Uizard. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the prototype or project here in the Uizard designer, then navigate to the given screen. So I will go with this screen here and let us apply a drop shadow effect to let's say this rectangle here, right? So what you want to do is left click into it, click into design here to the right, scroll down and expand the shadow tab here. Then choose a shadow type, right? So you may, for example, go with this one here, regular. So if we zoom in, you may, for example, enable these more options here and apply a blurring effect for the shadow, right? And you may also choose the color here, right? And the width and height for the given shadow, and it would look like this, for example, here, right? So you can use different setups. You can also go with, I don't know, a shadow like this, and it would look like that. Well, you need to change the value here first, and yeah, as you can see the preview here. So we just switch the color and to see the drop shadow effect, and it would look like this in this case here, right? So yeah, you can adjust the angle of the shadow by using the X and Y axis here, the blurring effect, and that's all that needs to be known or learned here, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.